Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about what to expect at the Worldwide Developer Conference from Apple. First of all, there is iOS 10. Apple will launch iOS 10 this time in the Bill Graham Civic Auditorium tomorrow, June 13, at around 10 a.m. Pacific time. This time obviously is up for a change if you're in different time zones. So go to the site of Apple and there you will see the little calendar and you can add that to your calendar and you'll be notified exactly when it starts. But like I said, today we're going to talk about iOS 10 and this is the nice place, the Bill Graham Civic Center, and this is the time of the event. All right, so in short, it's going to be a kickoff on Monday, June 13th, and we're going to talk about iOS 10, OS 10, and watchOS and tvOS. Now, to go into details, we're going to have a dark mode in iOS 10. This is one of the most talked about changes. People would like to see a dark mode such as in jailbreaks and whatnot. There is also the possibility that you will be able to draw inside Photos app. Just like in the Notes app, you will be able to draw in Photos app, circle some stuff that you're interested in. Then we have the App Store app subscriptions that Phil Schiller talked about and the 85% revenue for developers. So developers from now will be able to get higher revenue and they will also be able to lease their apps just like Adobe does. Pay a subscription, you have access to the app instead of in-app purchases. We also have third-party apps connecting to Siri, so if Siri has an SDK, it will be able to be opened up to the public, create all sorts of apps connecting with Siri, interacting with Siri, close my blinds, make me a coffee and such. And then the big news, Siri for OS 10. This has been circulating for some time now. The Siri for OS 10 is extremely interesting. You will be able to use the same assistant on your Mac. Now this is mind-blowing because right now we only have something like dictations and other little tweaks that sometimes work, sometimes don't, but this integration will be quite interesting. Then we will have some changes that come to Apple Music as well. So Apple Music has been launched with 10 million subscribers, but is still struggling, to get ahead. And at this Worldwide Developer Conference, you will see what are the new updates on this field. Also, there's a possibility that OS 10 might be called Mac OS from right now. Initially, it has been called Mac OS 10, then they dropped the Mac and it's only OS 10, and now they might go back to Mac OS and drop the 10 at the end. It's harder and harder to get an idea what name should you give to the new OS, and I think this will be much easier from now. Who knows? We will see. Apple Pay's web version, they are talking about the possibilities that you will be able to pay and receive payment just like on PayPal. You just go on a web, go to Apple Pay, uh, do something, like send payment, receive payment, whatever you do, buy some stuff, etc. watchOS updates, they might be coming as well, some new tweaks and whatnot. The watchOS is quite interesting. People are still complaining that they don't have different types of watch faces and whatever else. So some of the updates are coming as well. tvOS is not excluded, so tvOS is growing fast. Lots of apps coming to tvOS, and that will receive some updates as well on the first day. And last but not least, unfortunately, there will be no MacBook or hardware reveals this time. It has been quite clear that these upgrades will be coming later this year, not tomorrow. And just to go over the events real quick, so the first day is the kickoff, and then there will be some sessions from Tuesday to Friday at the Moscone West. You can get some technical information from there. There will also be labs. Now this is the place where you can ask your Apple engineers and collaborate with groups. There will be also consultations and one-on-one help, as you can see, analytics, apps distribution, whatever you want. And there will be some guest speakers from Tuesday to Friday. I think there will be quite interesting people there. If you are a developer and you can get there, you will get lots of good ideas, and you also have some get-togethers. Yeah, I suppose you can mingle with the developers as these events, get-togethers and whatnot. And last but not least, also a bash. And June 16 there will be a great bash. I don't know who exactly will be there, like a band or something, but there will be a concert venue. So hopefully, guys, you will enjoy tomorrow's event. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to think, and check out appletoday.info, where I will be documenting the whole event for tomorrow. Also, guys, if you like my videos, make sure you check out my other videos I made on this channel. And if you really like what I'm doing and you want to stay up to date with everything I do, just hit the subscribe button and you will get notified of the latest updates.